Hey children, hope you are doing good. Now, today I am going to teach you a poem. But before starting the poem, I want to share something with you all. Okay, so this is the monsoon season going on, and rain falls anywhere, anytime. Okay, so and if we are lucky enough, then we can find a wonderful, rather a colorful thing in the sky after the rain, and it is made up of 7 different colors. So you have guessed it right, I am talking about a rainbow. Okay, so today's poem is about a rainbow only. So all of you open Poetry Magic, page number 21, Rainbow in the Sky. Okay, this poem. Now at first I'll recite the poem, then I'll explain the meanings and will show you some pictures. Okay. Rainbow in the Sky, written by Anonymous. Okay children, while reciting the poem, you must always say the name of the poem at first, and after saying the name of the poem, you have to say the name of the poet. Okay, so please follow the way I am reciting the poem. Rainbow in the Sky, written by Anonymous. Well, Anonymous means the name of the poet is unknown. That is, we do not know the name of the poet. Okay, we do not know who has written the poem. Okay, so please follow. Rainbow in the Sky, written by Anonymous. There is a rainbow in the sky. Do you know how it came by? 7 colors can be seen: red, yellow, a lovely green, violet, indigo, and blue. There is orange in it too. Okay, so we can see there are different colors out of which a rainbow is made. Okay, so before showing you a picture, I want to say something, that is, after rain, a rainbow can be seen sometimes in the sky, and children always remember a rainbow can be seen only when the sun is bright after the rain. Okay, and it can be seen only in the daylight. So it is clearly stating in the poem, a rainbow is made up of 7 different colors. Now I'll show you a picture. You will get to know about it. What are the 7 different colors a rainbow is made up of? See, this is the picture of a rainbow. It is made up of 7 different colors. I'll start from below and gradually I'll move upward. The first color is violet. Next one is indigo. Well, indigo is the another shade of blue. Next it is blue. Then green. Then yellow. After yellow there is orange, and at last it is red. So these are all the 7 colors a rainbow is made up of. So children, I would suggest you always learn the names accordingly I have shown. Okay, we will start from below. So I am repeating the names once again: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, so learn the names of these colors and the spellings as well, and One thing I want to tell you before finishing off, um, as this is the monsoon season going on, so sometimes you can look for a rainbow. I'm not saying it will be visible every time, but if you are lucky enough, then you can find a rainbow in the sky. But remember, only in the daylight. Okay? And by any chance, if you find any rainbow in the sky, you can share it with me. Okay? So, learn the poem by heart. Okay? And learn the spellings as well. Thank you.